Hello everyone. Today we will see how to convert binary fraction to octal. Convert binary fraction to octal. Right students? So we will be converting binary fraction to octal. Okay, we will take 1 0 1 1 0 1 dot 0 1 0 1. This is a binary number and we need to convert it to octal. Now students, in the previous videos I have shown you all how to convert binary to octal for the whole number. We have two methods, method number 1 and method number 2. In method number 1, we need to convert binary to decimal, then again decimal to octal. But in method number 2, we will be using table, and I have taught you all how to prepare the table. I will show you all the table. Octal means we have 8 digits. 0 binary will be 000, 1 will be 001, 2s will be 010, 3s will be 011, 4 100, 5 101, 6 110 and 7 111. So we will use this table to solve the problem, students. So let's do it. Okay, we will keep the table for the reference. Now we will write down the question which we have over here, 10110.0101. Now students, for the whole number you will have seen we need to group the digits in group of 3, and we have to start from right hand side, that is this way. So first 3, then we have 2 digits, and as I have said, for making the group we can add 0 to it. So we will add 1 0 over here, and this has become the group of 3. But students, for the fraction number everything will be reverse, and this time we will group the digits in the group of 3, but we will be starting from left hand side. Group of 3, we are left out with only one digit, so we will put 0 over here. Right students? So let's write down 010. So 010, it's 2. 110, see over here, it's for 6. Point 010 is for 2. 100, that is 100, it's for 4. So we can conclude the answer is 26.24 octal, students. See, it's so easy. I hope everybody have understood it. And students, for the reverse also, if we need to convert octal fraction to binary, the same thing will happen. We can see the table and we can write down the combinations, and we can finally arrive with the answer, students. Is it clear? Our next topic is to convert binary fraction to hexadecimal. Let's take a number. We'll take a binary number, that is 1010111 0. Let's put a dot. 010111. This is my binary number, and I need to convert this into hexadecimal, that is base of 16. This is my base, students. So, for converting binary to hexadecimal, what we have seen for the whole number, same we will implement for the fraction number. We have two methods, method 1 and method number 2. In method number 1, we have followed two steps, that is converting binary to decimal and back decimal to hexadecimal. In method number 2, we have used table, and I have taught you all how to prepare the table. Here is the table, students. You all are aware, for hexadecimal we have 16 digits and we have a group of 4 digits as a binary for the hexadecimal. Like for 4 we will have 0100, for 15 we will have 1111, and so the table has been prepared. Let's take the help of this. We'll keep it over here. I'll remove this. Okay. Let's write down the numbers. 1010110.01011. Right, students? Now, we need to make the group of 4. And for the whole number, I have taught you all, we should start from right hand side, that is this way. And students, for the fractional number, the grouping will be done from left hand side, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we are left out with 2 digits, and I have said to make the group we can add zeros. We'll add 2 zeros so that it will be group of 4. Now let's write down. I hope everybody can see it. We have 1010. 1010, it's 10, that is A. 1110, 1110, that is E. 14. 0101, okay, 0101, this is 5. 1100, 1100, that is C. So, we have arrived with the answer. A E point 5 C is my hexadecimal number of given binary number, students. Now let's convert the reverse, that is hexadecimal to binary. To binary, we will take a number, students, that is 3 B F 0.5 C, and we have to convert into the base of 2, that is binary. You'll have understood it. Now we will write down. 3, B, F, point, 5 and C. And we will see the table, students. For 3, we have 0, 0, 1, 1. See over here, students, 0, 0, 1, 1. For B, we have 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. For F, we have, that is 15, 1, 1, 1, 1. For 5, we have 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. And for C, we have 1, 1, 0, 0. C is given over here, 1, 1, 0, 0. 1, 1, 0, 0. We'll write down the answers, students. That is 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 and 1, 1, 1, 1 point 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 is my binary number of given hexadecimal number. That's all for today. Have a nice day.